Grant, what happened?
Did you fall down? Yeah. Big one or little one? Can you say please?
Please.
There you go. Okay. Okay.
Whoa. Oh no. Oh, good catch, Mom. Whoa.
Mom tackles Grant.
Hey, Grant, how you doing?
Where's Dad? I gotta find the other one. I'll find it. You
Oh no. Where is the purple ball?
Down.
Where's the big purple ball?
Oh wow, how'd it get over
Yeah.
here? Boom.
Whoa. Oh no. Purple ball's down again.
Boom.
Oh no. Hey, Grant, you gonna get the purple ball? Throw it to Dad? Apparently not.
Fall down.
Grant, did you fall down?
Yeah.
You wouldn't hit your mom with that, would you? No.
Is that pretty funny? Oh no. Where is the big purple ball? How you doing? How you doing over here? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You're going crazy.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
Hey, Grant, is it bedtime? Is it time for bed?